this is an update on Logan's progress on his cancer. It is week number 5. So he's had his first round in the hospital back 5 weeks ago, and then last week he went in for the second round. That was on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Got out of the hospital Monday. So he's been home for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and now we're back in the hospital Friday for his third round of chemo. He's doing good. His leg is getting smaller after a second round of chemo. Really, his leg is shrunk. So the tumor is shrinking, which is very good. So we got about 5 more weeks until he has to have surgery on his leg to remove the tumor. So there's a tumor, and then there's I think they got to remove part of the leg bone to actually get rid of the cancer out of his leg. So that's kind of terrifying because we don't know what to expect. So probably in 3 weeks here we're going to get a few scans, you know, to see the progress of what's going on, and then we'll know a little more. But it's been, between last weekend and this weekend, you know, it figures every time we got to go to the hospital, it's got to snow, ice, sleet, I don't know. Last Friday it was snow during the afternoon. It was kind of a crappy weekend. And then this Friday morning, we're going down to the hospital, and there's like, you know, it's snowing. So it seems like every time we got to go to the hospital for treatment, it's snowing, or raining, or sleeting. So it just hinders, you know, us getting, you know, we got to start earlier. It's just a pain. So progress is being made. This time around, like last week, we were in the hospital. He's like, I'm sick of this hospital food and this fast food. So this time around, we're just, you know, bringing food from home, because hospital food really sucks bad. He hates it, can't stand it. I wouldn't like it either. So that's been going good. Everything's going good as kind of planned, or the best it can be. Let's put it that way. He's making progress though, which is a huge bonus. But there's a long road ahead. So he's got surgery in about 5 weeks, and I think it's going to suck, because I think he's going to be in the hospital for his birthday. It's going to be right around that week. It's not something you want to have for your birthday as surgery. And then after that, I think he's got another 16 weeks of treatment. You know, it's not a total of 16 weeks. It's going to be off a few weeks, on a few weeks, so on. That's just how it goes. So I think there was a total of, you know, the total treatment from start to finish was like 26 weeks. So it's going to go into the summer. It's going to suck. It sucks all the way around to begin with, but, you know, for him, you know, he's going to be 13 coming up here in the end of April. What 13-year-old wants to be in the hospital for the summer? You know, just sucks. But the spirits are good. You know, we're just trying to keep it normal. You know, trying to keep it normal at home, other than going to the hospital. going as good as it can. He's staying strong, we're staying strong. It's just busy, very busy, very physically draining, mentally draining for him, my wife, myself, trying to keep everything together. My wife's staying at the hospital, and I travel back and forth to the house each day, kind of keep my other kids under control, you know, trying to keep the house as normal as possible with me not being there. My mom and dad come up, you know, for a few hours every day just to kind of, you know, make dinner and, you know, make sure the kids are doing what they should be, because, you know, I mean, I got other kids at home. One son, he's going to be 15 this year, and the other one's going to be 17 this year. And the other one, he's either doing college homework or he's at work. So he's busy. So he's pretty self-sufficient. I don't have to worry about him. But the other two, I gotta, the teenagers, you gotta keep them in line. So keep an eye on them. Make sure they're doing what they should. Homework, not getting into trouble, which my kids usually don't. Thank God. But that's what's going on. So you guys know what you need to do. Subscribe to me on YouTube. That helps. Just watching videos helps. So watch all my videos. That gives me ad revenue, which helps. Don't make much, but it helps. Hit up the GoFundMe. I appreciate everything you guys have donated to me so far. You guys have been spectacular. Even guys that don't know me, even other channels, put a shout out for me, which I appreciate it. And yeah, anything helps, man. Just getting back and forth to the hospital each week is costing me a lot of money in gas, so gas money helps. So yeah, like, subscribe on YouTube, hit up the GoFundMe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.